Hey everyone! So, I've had a ton of you asking me how I create the AI-generated songs you hear in my videos. Well, today, we're gonna dive into it. We'll be using an amazing app called Suno. We're focusing just on the audio, how to make those AI tracks from scratch. We'll show you two awesome methods. First up, Suno. It's an amazing tool that creates full songs, complete with vocals, from a simple text prompt. Just describe what you want, like an upbeat folk song about a sunny day, and Suno handles the rest. So easy. Just give it a detailed prompt, like write lyrics about nostalgia from childhood photos. The more details, the better. Next, what if you just need lyrics? One way is to use ChatGPT to brainstorm and write them. Combine these tools, and you're the director of your own AI music.
Now let's get started and create something amazing. Let's dive right in and get started.
Let's start out by talking about the two main pay options for Suno, the Pro plan and the Premier Plus plan. If you go with Pro, the monthly fee is normally $8 a month, but right now it's on sale for $6 a month if you pay for the full year upfront. If you'd rather go month to month, that comes out to $10 per month. For Premier Plus, the monthly fee is $24, but is currently on sale for $18 a month if you pay for the year upfront. If you don't want to commit yearly, the month-to-month option is $30 per month. On screen, you can see the breakdown of what each plan includes, so you can compare them side by side and make the choice that is right for you. For the first example, we're going to use Suno's generative AI in order to make music. In order to do that, we're going to go ahead and select Create, and inside of here, I pre-populated a few things that we want to add, but the important part is that we have selected Simple and are as descriptive as possible. For this, I just write a hip-hop song about the YouTube channel called Fat Guy Tinkering, and it should be about creating an AI-generated song. It should be a mix of hip-hop and rock, very catchy, R&B, country, and piano. Below under Inspiration, it gives you some examples of things you might want to add to help refine your song that you can click on to add or type your own. Once you decide what you want your description to look like, select Create. Again, for this example, we're going to be generic, but for your songs, the more description, the better. When it starts creating, it will make two different examples that you can choose from. If you do not like them, you can refine your description and create again at the cost of a few credits. We'll be back once it's done creating the song. Okay, once it's done generating, you can see that the song is listed over here. Once you see the length of the song, you know that it's complete. If you look on the right side, you can see all of the generated lyrics for the song. From here, we can click on the song and press play to listen to it. Let's give it a listen and see what we think.
Fat guy tinkering, gears go grind in the basement workshop where the sparks unwind. Wires and circuits singing in the dark, building beats like a madman with a spark. Hands greasy like the rhythm he lays, sweat drips to the tempo it plays. Is it magic or a curse in disguise? AI songs from a fat guy's mind. Piano keys weave distortion screams, coding dreams into music streams. Fat guy tinkering, building sound. AI beats from the underground, rocking hip-hop in a digital store. A new kind of song is being born. Soda burns, but the music heals, turning bolts into bars that feel country soul with an R&B twist, electric thunder that can't be missed. Machine hum whispers melodies, drum kicks clash with symphonies. He's a one-man band with a Frankenstein touch, creating tracks that hit like a punch. Yeah. Whoa.
That was pretty good, but I think we could do better. Let me show you how with adding ChatGPT into the mix to help us customize our lyrics. In my opinion, here is the more preferred method of creating lyrics using the free version of ChatGPT. We're going to use the exact same criteria that we did with Suno AI in order to keep on a level playing field. We do need to reword a few things, though, in order for ChatGPT to understand the question. At the beginning, I'm going to write, "Help me write a song about," and we're going to remove the beginning of the original statement. Remember, as descriptive and precise as possible is the best way to get a good outcome. At the end, we will tell it how many verses we want, so we will type, "The song should have 3 verses and a catchy riff." Push go. ChatGPT will create your lyrics. Go ahead and read over all of it and make changes or edits as you wish. Once you're satisfied, highlight your lyrics and copy them to the clipboard. Now that we've copied the lyrics from ChatGPT, we're going to go to Suno's website. Once the site loads, select Create, and instead of Simple, we are going to select Custom. Paste the lyrics that you got from ChatGPT under Lyrics, and then you'll want to scroll through the entire song and remove all of the images that ChatGPT created. You'll want to leave the rest of the wording, and that has keywords like hook or verse. These phrases need to stay in so that Suno understands the breakdown of the song. Selecting Custom gives us a lot of advanced options. You can give it a title and select if you want it to be a male or female singer. You can decide if you want to keep the style influence what you requested, or if you want to allow AI to have some creativity and wander away from exactly what you typed in. Under Styles, this is where you would add options like R&B, rock, piano, etc. For this, we will type in hip-hop, rock, country, catchy riff. From here, we're going to go ahead and select Create. Again, you will see that it will create 2 different song options for us to choose from. If you do not like what it came up with, you can refine your song and try again at the cost of a few credits. Once the song's complete, let's take a listen to see what we like best. Now that the track has finished rendering, let's play it back and hear the final result. Do you think that ChatGPT paired with Suno or Suno AI will make a better song?
Yeah. From the workshop to the world, it's Fat Guy, tinkering time. Yeah. Click a record, watch the sparks ignite. Got a wrench in my left and a beat in my right. Hammer on the table, microphone in the shed, making AI magic out of wires and bread. Rock riffs crashing like a storm in July. Country heart singing, let the banjo fly. Tinker in the future with a laugh and a grin. Every verse I build is a homemade win. Fat guy, tinkering, breaking the mold, turning scraps and cold into beats of gold. From the shed to the stage, let the chorus ring. Hey, I made a song, but the soul's my thing. Keys dripping like sweet sunrise. Bassline rolling with those soulful vibes. Every note a bolt, every chord a chain. AI in the backseat driving the train. Got rhythm in my flannel, fire in my eyes. Steel string bending with electric skies. From a back road beat to a cosmic jam, I'm the tinkering man with a master plan. Fat guy, tinkering, breaking the mold, turning scraps and cold into beats of gold. From the shed to the stage, let the chorus ring. Hey, I made the song, but the soul's my thing. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, floor. Rock guitar screaming, can't ask for more. R&B smooth when the chorus slides. Country grit, keeping rhythm alive. Plug in a laptop, light up the track. Piano's got the soul and the groove won't crack. Yeah, I'm tinkering forever, let the whole world sing. Yeah, I wrote the chart, but the heart's my thing. Fat guy, tinkering, breaking the mold, turning scraps and cold into beats of gold. From the shed to the stage, let the chorus ring. Yeah, I made the song, but the soul's my thing. Oh, the soul's my thing. Yeah. Oh, the soul's my thing. Yeah.
Thanks so much for hanging out and checking out this video. We just explored how you can use Suno with AI and ChatGPT to make some pretty awesome music. Now, I've got to say, I still prefer writing my own songs, but Suno definitely makes it super easy to whip up new music around whatever idea you've got in mind. I'd love to know your thoughts. Which do you think works better for music creation, Suno AI or ChatGPT? And are there other tools or methods you've used to create music that you'd recommend? If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Your support helps me keep creating more content like this. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Every verse I build is a homemade win. Fat guy, tinkering, breaking the mold, turning scraps.
You better like, subscribe, and comment on the video.